Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I'm drawing the Staypuft Marshmallow Man, and I'm going to do this step by step so that you can follow along. So step one is you're just going to start with your micron pen going around the object, and notice that the lines that I'm using, I'm sort of thinking about the turn of the form and the directions. So you want to kind of try to like mimic the form as much as possible through your lines. I'm using my Micron pens, and I'll put a link in the description. These are the pens that I usually use when I'm cross hatching. So what you also want to be doing is notice that I'm going back and forth to build up the form. So when I want it to be a little bit darker, I'm just adding lines in to make it look a little bit darker and more in shadow. Now I'm drawing his hat, and his hat is significantly darker than the body. So I'm just making sure to make sure that that looks darker. And then the top part of the hat is an ellipse. So you want to make sure that, you get that part kind of symmetrical. So that'll look more accurate. And by darkening it up right around the edges, it'll make it look a lot more three-dimensional. The next step is the face. And for this, I'm just being careful not to overdo it because you don't want to overwork this section too much. But I'm adding a little bit of shading right around the face to make it look a little bit more 3D. And then I'm going in and I'm adding some dark to the mouth area. The next step is to draw the string that holds the ornament. And so for that, what you want to do is try to create a satin type of texture. So the way to do that is by having there be a good amount of contrast between the darks and lights, and also make sure that you get the details in the knot of the ornament. If you're not already a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button as well, and leave a comment below. Your last step is just to draw some of the shadows around the ornament, and then you're all done. Thanks again for joining, and I'll see you next time.